Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are learning English together. Let's begin. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.
I walk to the gym. I walk to the gym. I arrive at the gym. I arrive at the gym. I open the door. I open the door.
I enter the gym. I enter the gym.
I show my card. I show my card.
I go to the locker room. I go to the locker room.
I open my bag. I open my bag.
I take out my clothes. I take out my clothes. I change my clothes. I change my clothes.
I take a towel. I take a towel. I take a water bottle. I take water bottle. I go to the exercise area. I go to the exercise area. I look at the machines. I look at the machines. I choose a treadmill. I choose a treadmill. I start to walk. I start to walk. I run on the treadmill. I run on the treadmill.
I stop the treadmill. I stop the treadmill. I go to the weights. I go to the weights.
I lift the weights. I lift the weights.
I put down the weights. I put down the weights.
I use a mat. I use a mat.
I do push-ups. I do push-ups.
I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms.
I stretch my legs. I stretch my legs.
I drink water. I drink water.
I finish my exercise. I finish my exercise. I go to the locker room. I go to the locker room.
I take a shower. I take a shower. I dry my body. I dry my body. I change my clothes. I change my clothes. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I close my bag. I close my bag.
I leave the locker room. Leave the locker.
Room.
I go to the door. I go to the door. I open the door. I open the door. I exit the gym. I exit the gym. I walk home. I walk home.
Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.